What's going on, everybody? This is Out of the Box with Mighty. My name's Austin, and today we're going to be talking about the industry's latest, greatest mobile detail extractor, the HP90 Stingray. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, so we'll go ahead and get started. I've got the HP90 here with me. It is a 5-gallon mobile detailing extractor. It is similar in size to the popular HP60, but with a ton of new features. We're gonna go ahead and start rolling through them from the top. With the newly redesigned handle, it is larger and designed to be easier to use with just one hand. The lid on the top of the recovery tank is clear, allowing you to check the water level at a glance, as well as easily access the inside of that 5-gallon tank. When you're looking inside, you'll also see the new vacuum shutoff float that we added that's going to protect your vacuums from accidental overflows. A little bit further down on the machine, we have the front-facing control panel. This is all of the components on the machine, easily accessible to you with a push of a button. We have the vacuum, which is a 3-stage vacuum motor. The pump is a 120 psi demand pump. Both of those are found in our full-sized detailing extractor, but we have them rehoused into a new mobile-friendly body, as well as the newly retuned heating system that outperforms its predecessors. In addition to the internal upgrades, we also made several quality of life updates based on popular customer feedback. So we have newly redesigned the lid here for the solution tank and made room for our popular faucet-fill adapter feature that allows you to fill the 5-gallon solution tank directly from a faucet instead of needing to use a bucket. If you have extra clean water in the machine at the end of the day that you haven't used, we added a solution drain here that allows you to easily get rid of that water, as well as the gate valve on the back for the recovery tank that again lets you empty the machine out in an easy and neat fashion. We have handles that have been newly added to both the front and back of the machine that allow for easier loading and unloading. The machine sits on these high quality casters here. They are locking casters, so they will stay in place when you need them to. All of these combine to a fully fleshed out full performer here that is great for mobile detailing and upholstery spotting alike. Go ahead and ask your dealers today about the HP90 Stingray. Alright guys, that's all we have for you today. If you need any more information, please check out mighty.com. You can also connect with us on Instagram, LinkedIn, or join our Facebook group, All Things Mighty. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit the button below, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a mighty fine day.